Hey Andrew, so I'm looking at your error, and this does look weird to me, especially since um, item name. It seems like it's having a problem with item name for the input to get, and yet item name works fine with contains key, and we need um, a key object for get, just like we need a key object for contains key. So I guess the way I approach these is, I think the first thing I would do is try like kind of breaking this down a little bit, just to see if maybe there's something happening along the way. I'm just gonna what I mean by breaking it down is just kind of tease these things apart. And see if there's something happening. We want a hash map map, and that is a. Oh wait, how do we define this guy? It's got to be a hash map that's a string and an item, right? Does that work? Let's see. Oh, so I have to import hash map in here. Alright, so that's so far. Unchecked or unsafe. I missed something here. Let's see. Well, that's interesting. So I'm getting warnings from the compiler. Seems to have something to do, because this is working, it seems to have something to do with hash map. I'm getting this unchecked, so maybe something to do with you know, getting the when you get the map, maybe it's not picking up exactly what it wants as inputs for some reason or something. I don't know. That's weird. But I think what I would do, well, let's just check and see if this works. Okay, so that's compiling with warnings. So game.java uses unchecked or unsafe operations, it says. I'll show you. Recompile with excellent for detail. So there is a way to do that, but I'm thinking it's got something to do with this line right here, this hash map line for some reason. But anyway, it does compile. So let me just see. There are, looks like, I guess there's no items in here because there's none listed. So if I say go south, go east. Okay, so let's try take apple maybe. What can I do here? Help. Oh, okay, let me see. Does this show me my items? Oh, no, I still don't have it though. Let's, I'm going to clear this and remove that and stick in a stop here to debug and see what's going on here. So, I don't know, just to make sure, I think I'll reset the Java virtual machine. And put a new game. Play. Okay, so. Oh, that's interesting. It didn't even get to that spot, it looks like. Take. Oh, so maybe the contains key failed. Let's see. So I'll put my stop here. Quit out. Clear that. Oh, I hold down the control key and the K to clear this, and press K to clear this window. So control K for Windows, or if you're on a Mac, I guess it'd be that command key, command K. Okay, remove. And do that. Okay, go south. Go east. Take Apple. Alright, so so let's see. I step into this, then what's my item name? Item name is Apple. Oh, is this not even a item? Do we add? Let's see. Oh, beautiful apple. You know, I think it's going to have a hard time reading beautiful apple with a space in it like that. So key, maybe key. What? Oh, and the key's in the same room, right? You know what? I'm going to terminate this. I'm going to try it out with key. And you want to have a space between key and beautiful apple there, but anyhow. Okay. So, okay, my string is key. Okay, yeah, it saw that. So I get the current room. Okay, that looks like that's what was happening before, was it wasn't seeing beautiful key. And then pick up. And so now, let's see. Oh yeah, so now I have the pickup item. And that's what it is. Okay, yeah. So now you're able to take it. So yeah, so what I would do is I would change the, where you have beautiful apple, I wouldn't use 2 words here. I would make that 1 word thing. Either smush together beautiful apple or make it just say apple or something. Because I think that's confusing. Or maybe, I don't know what you're calling it when you're adding it to the hash map. But anyway, that's one suggestion. And then another suggestion I have too is I think this would be cleaner if instead of returning the hash map itself, because I think that's what's getting you in trouble. I don't think that's a good idea, is returning the hash map. I think what you want to do is, let's see, we're in the room, right? From here, current room. Just like you have this add item, I think you should have make a get item method that that handles the hash map. So that way you just keep the hash map completely internal to room. You probably read something in the book about cohesion and coupling. You want to hide, whatever your structures are in here. However you're storing the information, you want to hide that. So you don't want to like pull out a hash map even this way, which wasn't working. You don't want to have a method that returns the hash map. You want to just go ahead and do like a get item and return the item, because then that way if you decide at another time that instead of using a hash map you're going to use some other, you're going to use a database or whatever, you can always encapsulate all that behavior in this one class, and then your sharing will it'll make life easier for you maintenance wise in the future. All right, so yeah, I hope that helps, and keep at it and let me know if you have any other questions.